Hello, NeXT community. I wanted to show you my latest endeavor here. So I'm putting the larger footprint of my new Bamboo Labs H2D printer to use here. And this is going to be my first attempt at printing a cube back. And let me flip it around here so you guys can see. Now this is to scale. And I should be able to emboss it as well with the text. Hopefully the arrow is showing up. So that it looks like a real cube with this dual extruder system. That's what I'm going to work on next. And I may even be able to make some fun magnets for everybody that likes the personal mainframe. Or would prefer a NeXT cube instead of NeXT computer for their back panel. And so with the magnet, it would just basically stick on and look identical to your original NeXT. And I can probably make it any serial number you wanted as well. We'll have to see how that works. So yeah, having fun with this for sure. And see how it looks from the edge. I've seen one of these printed out. Thank you, Elaine. It's a customer in Luxembourg that made the 3D renderings, and so yeah, this should be interesting to see. I actually, when I saw it, I didn't know that it was my 3D print file that I had sent, and so that's pretty cool. Now, I am going to have these for sale as well. And I haven't figured out what the price is going to be yet. I want to see how they turn out. So, let's see. I can show you some of the other stuff here on this Bamboo Labs. So it's kind of neat because you'll go over and then you can go to device. And then it'll show you the actual print in progress here, which is really neat. So now there's they have different cameras that I can attach, several different ones like the nozzle camera. They may already be here. I'm still learning my way around this printer. I've only had it working for a couple days, and I wanted to actually see in starting this print whether we can watch this time lapse of the Jerry Garcia bust that I just did. I think it should show us that. So it's just downloading it now. This is so much fun for me. And I'm going to be able to make I think a full 2-scale NeXT cube case. So when we press play, yep, it works. Cool. Oh, this is much better than the X1C carbons as far as, being able to show how the 3D print is manifesting. That is really smooth. Yeah, my second version of the Jerry Garcia bust. The first one, it was funny. I put it out on like a bunch of the dead groups, and they said the first one looked like everything from David Koresh to Robin Williams to Mrs. Doubtfire to Snoop Dogg to Ramrod, one of the roadies with glasses, etc. So I've got a sense of humor, but I think this one. Let's see if I can download the finished one here real quick, and I wonder if I could send it over. I should be able to while we're talking here. This is something I've wanted to try anyway here for a bit. So 3D printing is really a game changer for me. And especially being able to make these parts for the NeXT community. So let's go ahead and send the side-by-side. We're going to drop that over. And then I should be able to show this other one as well. And we'll send that one over. And it says it's waiting. Yep, okay, great. So then they should appear over here, and then I should be able to open them. Okay, so that's my Jerry 2. And this would be the first one that looks like Robin Williams. The lettering, uh, the way they have it set up in the software, I would rather have it, I think, embedded, because when you're removing the forms or the supports, you have to be really careful. And the glasses are so thin as well. I'm probably going to make a 3D print of the glasses separately so I can make a bunch of different styles, which ought to be really fun. And then you can change them out. I have plans for this bust. I've got a little thing called, well, let's see here. I'll take a picture of it. It's called the Mag Beat. Wow, this is kind of cool. If I could do interactive story time, send this over. Okay. And we should see it open. So I think I could fit this little Bluetooth speaker into the base. And I've been working with ChatGPT. And there's several things I want to try. I could make these phone charger. I can make them all different characters. I'm getting pretty good at it. And, I think like something like a Swifty might take off pretty good. Uh, or, Jimi Hendrix or Jim Morrison or any of the greats. And then, with voice activation, it'd be playing like they're singing the tune. So the speakers would be down in the bass. And then we've got some renderings. Let's see if I can bring those up in ChatGPT over here. I signed up for a photo guru class as well to learn how to use all of the functionality of my iPhone, which I think will be very useful because there's a lot of hidden features that we don't know about. And I've always been a photographer at heart for many years. So I am looking forward to taking that class. And ChatGPT, I've been going back and forth talking about all the different things that I want to do. So I've, it's been able to do some renderings of things I want to try. Oh, did that just shut it down? Doggone it. Well, let's go back here. I'm hoping. I went ahead and paid for it, so I've got the local app because I'm going to be doing a lot of cool stuff. Yeah, this is kind of a long session. Let's see if I can get back to it. Where are you? Come on, I know I did some renderings, but this is pretty neat. I took a class on AI on how to prompt ChatGPT as well, which is proving to be useful. Where are the renderings, man? Okay. So, my God. Okay, this is all the tax stuff. Yeah, I had it help with assist with taxes last night, which was good. And let's see here. Come on. Okay. So yeah, by feeding this into it, it'll take a look at pictures as well as code. It's going to help me with a bunch of different stuff. So here is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it kind of fun. I'm going to have a dancing bear. I'm going to have a steal your face and a Jerry Garcia hand. And these things will do different things. So it'll be kind of like compartments will pop open. So there'll be little Easter eggs. And I think it'll be kind of fun. So there'll be stash compartments in there. You'll be able to, launch the Bluetooth. Yeah, kind of fun. So I have a bunch of different ideas for it. And I think I'm onto something, and it should be a good seller. You know, I don't think anybody else is going to be doing this. I mean, it takes a lot of work to figure all this stuff out. So stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole. And if you are interested, I can make personal ones as well. I just need a good high quality photograph, and then I work my magic, and then maybe I can figure out pricing. Obviously, if I'm doing a custom one from scratch, I don't know what it would what I'd have to charge to do that. But maybe you guys could just throw a number at me if you are interested in going that route. Might be fun for like a birthday present, a unique gift, especially when you get the internal mount. It's going to be magnetic that'll hold this in place. This little Magbeat speaker. I think that I can integrate, as I say, a phone charger, so it might be kind of fun. And I was talking, back and forth to ChatGPT of setting it up to where it could even be like a piggy bank and have like a Venmo interface, so it'd be a modern take on it. So if your kids do chores, maybe it has a Venmo slash iTunes interface where they can then buy songs or games. I'm also going to probably do some LED lights. So some of those Easter eggs will have like LED lights pop on. And maybe even like a little projector, because they make little tiny projectors. It could be a web camera, could be a bunch of different things. And it doesn't have to be people. I think I could do like teddy bears, all kinds of stuff. As I say, I am just experimenting. I just started 3D printing, and I'm pretty tech savvy. I was on the cutting or bleeding edge of tech for many years. So stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole. And now if I could shut down our recording, we'll be in business here. I just need to find it. I'm not an expert at everything by any means, but I'm getting better.